Hi Matti, thanks so much for watching my short film. The truth is, I don't have it that bad in quarantine, because I have my lovely family and lots of supplies. But to all the people who are working in hospitals or doing all the essential jobs, thank you so much and keep up the great work. One more thing, I think it was really great of you to host this competition, and I think it gave so many people the opportunity who have never made a short film for a competition, or me for instance, I've never entered a competition. So thank you very much for giving me that experience, and keep up the great work.